Tales from Acorn Wood Counting by Julia Donaldson and Axel Scheffler. 1 sock. 1 sock in Fox's clock. 2 snails. 2 snails in Pig's garden. 3 letters. 3 letters for Bear to send. 4 mice. 4 mice keeping Rabbit awake. 5 apples. 5 apples for Dormouse to eat. 6 reeds. 6 reeds in Frog's pond. 7 roses. 7 roses smell sweet to Mouse. 8 butterflies. 8 butterflies join Squirrel for a walk. 9 flowers. 9 flowers for Hen to pick. 10. 10 friends in Acorn Wood. Can you count them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.